All right, TAOFLEDER folks.
He's back.
I'm back. Better than ever. Got a new bionic shoulder. All that good stuff. Hey, I want to thank you guys for all the love. I do appreciate it from the bottom of the heart. And it means a lot. Hey, anyway, today we're going to go for a new self-defense.
Hockey pucks. They're being handed out for self-defense at
we
university.
throw those damn things. Yeah, you're going to be the first one to get shot. You throw that at me.
Yeah.
Anyway, Jeff cut out some slugs, and we got them loaded up in some 12 gauge.
Yeah, if I had to use a hockey puck for self-defense, I'd kind of side with this.
That's the way I'd rather throw them. Yeah.
It's a less lethal rubber slug, basically.
I mean, what's this going to do?
You missed. That was your only puck, too.
Now what?
You get shot.
Now we load them up.
You better run.
Now we load them up. That's the way I want to throw them. All right. Well, we're going to see what kind of potential a hockey puck actually has. We got a few different targets downrange, soft targets, hard targets, and we're going to go through the Mossberg smoothbore. So we'll see what they do.
So, hockey puck versus soccer ball. I don't know what to think about it. You know that in England they call it football?
Yeah.
We love you, England.
Who else calls it round ball?
I don't know. Okay, let's see if you could even hit. How far are we? 10 yards?
Yeah, I stepped it off at 10 yards. I'm gonna try right between the three blue dots. There's a white. What do you call it?
In the center. We call that the center. Okay. Okay. Just go for it.
Ready?
I'm ready. Well,
I think we deflated it.
yeah, that was a little more powerful than I thought. I thought it would bounce off. Okay, how about a brick? I'm ready. (1560 feet per second). What will it do against, say, Nokia? If you can hit it, that's a small target.
I don't know. These things aren't very consistent.
They really aren't.
We'll see.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
We don't want to take out the plane.
Oh, okay, enough of that. That's too small. 1925. We got some ballistic jelly.
Yeah, smoothbore didn't seem to be very consistent, so we're going to try a rifle barrel.
Okay.
Throw a little spin on it.
Yeah, it was your suggestion, man.
Yeah, we couldn't hit that Nokia, so
Yeah.
we'll try that jelly.
It's a small, these aren't very accurate. But let's see if the rifling helps. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
There you go.
We got a projectile.
Okay, we got a bad guy. I guess we have enough light.
Got a bad guy. Let's throw a piece of puck at him.
Where are you aiming? Pink laser dot?
That big laser dot down there on target.
Okay, we got a vest, a Kevlar vest to protect him, but let's see how much energy it transfers. Okay, I'm ready. That was dead on.
Sticker shock.
Got him. Oh, I think you might have hit that.
I think so. They definitely like the rifle barrel.
Yeah.